I don't understand what you're doing. I don't understand what...
Like that would ease a lot of this shit. A lot of these people that just go astray and go into right-wing fucking shittiness because they didn't find anybody to connect with.
我操，脑子坏掉了。
No, she has no clue. She has no fucking clue. She's supposed to be going down the freeway.
Get next to her.
Capacity across the board in all these sports. I'm gonna say back to normal. Back to normal. People will be over this.
On the entire force. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just put your car in. We gotta make sure somebody didn't get hurt.
What he can fix it for.
Yeah.
You know, Mary already told me earlier, she said this job is bad.
Uh-huh.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? That's weird. You can start with private multi?
Yes.
What?
Riddle used to have a court.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yes, I'm good.
Well, I should have had a mammogram every 3 years from the age of 50, but I only had two by the time I was 56 and a half, and there was a 5-year delay between my first and second mammogram. I had no outward symptoms of breast cancer at all. There was no lumps or
Palestiniens, ils arrivent, ouais.
You would hear the water hitting the floor.
Yup.
But no, he just continues on.
While this is happening, we're cutting back and forth to Alex in his room, looking at a picture taken of Claire Memorial in mourning, and then going, why?
No, she has no clue. She has no fucking clue. She's supposed to be going down the freeway.
Get next to her. Should we pull over?
Oh, bang!
Whatever you do, don't buy an engagement ring until you discover the
Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa! See ya.
I-double tap mo. Hala, patay! Patay! Kaman? Awa ang car!
Somebody just get hit? No, somebody hit somebody.
Oh, oh.
A few seconds of conversation and he shook his head. Pretty sure that's both Sir Flakers who's still in play and then one or two active brain cells were Matt and company will be investigating from oversight.
Or a blockade or something. Whoa, whoa! Shit. Oh, well, there we go. Oh my god.
Should I call 911?
No, it's fine. We got the dash cam.
I was told that we should go to the Scotts Valley.
Did we get hit?
No.
I totally ran it.
Mommy.
We're okay, baby.
Christ almighty, what the fuck?
God damn. Yeah.
Holy. This bitch is crazy. Yo.
What the
I'm hoping someday William will get into that mode. Did you just get an accident?
Yes.
Oh my god. I'll let you go so you can call whoever.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I've noticed.
They never fucking go anywhere, especially my dad.
Your dad's always there. He's like, it's like his dojo or something. It's crazy.
I have no idea how deep.
Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! Shit, call
really, really careful about classified I'm having a hard time with this. So, according to NBC News, the documents at those Wilmington, Delaware home.
Girl, Liam? Are you a good girl? No, you're a good boy.
The crime ring run by his ex-wife that he thinks that may or may not, you know, exist.
Yeah, so it's a
God damn it.